Hello, my name is Alan Messer, and I have been invited to spend a few minutes talking with you about commercial umbrella liability insurance and commercial excess liability insurance. Let's begin by stating liability insurance offers protection for the insured for injuries or damages to a third party. In insurance language, we typically talk about bodily injury, property damage, and or personal advertising injury, as these phrases are defined in the policies. The policies are designed to protect the insured party's assets from being taken from them due to a judgment, as well as provide a contractual duty to defend suits that allege such damages, even if these suits are false or fraudulent. The insurance protection typically also pays for the defense costs incurred in doing so. What happens if a judgment is rendered against an entity that exceeds the liability insurance limits that is provided by the entity's CGL policy, business auto policy, or employer's liability insurance? If that occurs, it could result in the entity being required to liquidate its assets to come up with the money to pay for the judgment. Situations like this are where commercial umbrella liability insurance or commercial excess liability insurance can be priceless. In addition, there could be a judgment that is not covered by one of those underlying policies, such as the CGL policy, the business auto policy, or employer's liability insurance. Commercial umbrella liability insurance may fill this gap as well. While the Insurance Service Office publishes standard coverage forms for both the commercial umbrella liability coverage form and the commercial excess liability coverage form, most insurers offering these coverages use their proprietary coverage forms and/or endorsements. Therefore, unlike many of the insurance policies that underlie it, most commercial umbrella liability insurance policies or commercial excess liability insurance policies are not written with a standard form policy. To understand what has been purchased, it's necessary to read the policy. Words matter. Every entity needs commercial umbrella liability insurance coverage or commercial excess liability insurance coverage. Some businesses only purchase these coverages to fulfill a contract requirement for a certain amount of coverage. But the bottom line is, the future can't be predicted. The best time for a business to prepare for risk is before mistakes or mishaps occur. The business should not wait too long to get the needed coverage to protect its assets. Thank you. I appreciate your time.